Pentagon to buy Gepard systems for Ukraine. The Pentagon has signed a contract with the defense company Global Military Products for the purchase and supply of Gepard air defense systems to Ukraine. The US Department of Defense reported it. Global Military Products, Incorporated, Tampa, Florida, was awarded an $118,375,740 firm fixed price contract for the purchase and delivery of Gepard 35mm air defense systems. Bids were solicited via the internet with one received. Work will be performed in Amman, Jordan, with an estimated completion date of May 30th, 2024, reads the message. The Gepard guns will contribute to strengthening Ukraine's air defense system as the country prepares for its long-awaited counter-offensive. To date, the US government has committed military aid worth $38.3 billion since the beginning of Biden's administration in 2021. The delivery of Gepard tanks, announced on the 31st of May, is the latest military support package for the country that is currently being bombarded by various projectiles from Iranian uncrewed aerial vehicles to hypersonic missiles.